Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to whip up some delicious homemade donuts in just a few simple steps. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be a donut pro. So, let's dive in. First off, you'll need some basic ingredients: flour, sugar, yeast, milk, butter, and a little bit of salt. Got all that? Great! Now, in a large bowl, mix about 2 cups of flour with a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of sugar. This is your dry mix. Next, warm up half a cup of milk. Make sure it's just warm, not boiling. Then dissolve 1 packet of yeast into the milk. This is what makes your donuts fluffy and light. Give it a few minutes. You'll see it start to froth. That's how you know it's working. Now pour the yeasty milk into your dry mix. Add a melted stick of butter and get mixing. This is where you can throw in some elbow grease. Once your dough comes together, knead it on a floured surface until it's smooth and elastic. Here's the fun part: shaping. Roll out your dough till it's about ½ inch thick. Grab a donut cutter or, if you don't have one, a large cup and a bottle cap will do just fine for cutting out those classic donut shapes. Alright, let your shaped dough rest and puff up for about an hour. They should almost double in size. If you poke it lightly, the indentation should bounce back. Now let's get cooking. You can either bake or fry. To bake, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and pop them in for about 10 minutes until golden. If you're frying, heat oil in a deep pan and fry each donut until it's a beautiful golden brown. And finally, the best part: topping. Go classic with a simple sugar glaze, or get creative with chocolate, sprinkles, or whatever tickles your fancy. Dip your warm donuts into the topping and voila! You've got yourself a batch of irresistible homemade donuts. So there you have it, folks. Making donuts is as easy as that. Try it out, tweak it with your favorite flavors, and enjoy the magic of fresh donuts right from your kitchen. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. Catch you next time.